it. I've been thinking about all the things you do.
Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from foodie.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this easy Mediterranean pasta salad. So as with all salads, the veggies are the star. So we went ahead and chopped up and sliced up our veggies all in this bowl. And I already took care of the pasta that has been cooked and drained, and I'm going to just add it to our veggies. I'm using a tricolor rotini, but you can use any kind of pasta that holds dressing and sauce well. And then I want to add in the cheeses. I'm using some Parmesan and some feta. I also added in the fresh herbs and the seasonings, as well as the dressing, which is just a bit of olive oil and red wine vinegar. You really want to make sure to use good quality red wine vinegar, good quality olive oil, because the flavors will be much more robust and, front and center. So you want to give this all a mix. In terms of veggies, I used some cucumbers, some olives, both Kalamata and black olives, some red onions, and some peppers, including yellow, green, and some roasted red peppers. Simple enough, but great flavor. We have some seasonings in there as well, some dried Italian seasoning, some dried oregano, salt and pepper, of course, a bit of sugar to offset the acidity. Obviously, we all gave that a mix, and that's pretty much it. You want to cover this and refrigerate it at least for 24 hours. Upon serving, I do like to rehydrate it a bit because the pasta will absorb the dressing, but that's totally optional. I just rehydrate it with some oil and vinegar, and then I also add a bit more fresh herbs. But yeah, this is the pasta salad. It's delicious, it's easy to make, and great for the summer. For the full recipe, go to facefood.com. Subscribe to this channel for more great videos on the way. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.
I've been reading you to figure what you're down for. I wanna figure out to make it come around. But we should quit the game and settle things right here, right now. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do. I wanna take you from every